facility is really how do we provide the best customer experience for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac customers around the globe. It also serves as a sense of pride for our GM employees, our UAW partners, and our GM dealers. I'm proud to say that this new plant is the single biggest investment in a GM after-sales supply chain in more than 40 years. It is a $65 million project that was several years in the making. This building, as you probably saw going through it, covers 141 acres, 1.1 million square feet of floor space, and it's almost 3 times the size of the facility it replaced. It will process more than 120 million parts per year, and this is our main induction point for our parts in the U.S. for parts that need to be either unitized or packaged for sale, and we're going to process over 147,000 unique part numbers out of this facility. It has 6 ramp doors, 84 receiving and shipping docks that really help us improve the overall inflow and outflow of parts in this facility. The layout also gives us tremendous operating flexibility, and it's much more efficient than the facility it replaced, and it sharply reduces congestion in this facility with the layout. It's designed to grow with General Motors as we strengthen our core business and expand into vehicle electrification. It employs more than 800 men and women, and it builds on the $23 billion we have invested in U.S. manufacturing since 2009, of which nearly $10.6 billion has come to Michigan, and more than $2.8 billion here in Genesee County. I think that's worthy of applause, right? Great investment in our communities. General Motors has over 65 million vehicles on the road in the U.S. and over 125 million vehicles around the globe. Our mission is to take care of our customers and keep them loyal to GM. And it's another major investment in the Flint area, the birthplace of General Motors and the headquarters of Customer Care and Aftersales business. To say that GM's roots in Genesee County are incredibly deep is not an understatement. It is very deep. This is the birthplace. It's where we learned of hard work, of grit, resilience, and optimism. These are the values that have gotten us through thick and thin. Think about it. In this area, more than 100 years of GM history have played out, and we are not slowing down.
We were really honored to be able to be a partner with General Motors to deliver this first-class facility to the community. A few interesting statistics about this building. As was noted, the building's a 1.1 million square foot building. To put that into perspective, that's the equivalent of about 20 football fields or about 25 acres under roof. So everything about this facility is massive in scale. This building, now that there's hundreds of employees that now call this building their home, there were hundreds of hours that took to build this building. Over 170,000 man hours went into building this facility. So we're very excited about that.
Finally, I just want to thank General Motors again. Thank you for choosing Burton. It's the heart of the historic distribution facility, and choosing Burton as the heart, because we consider ourselves the heart of Genesee County due to our location. We're right smack in the middle. So thank you again. We look forward to partnering with GM and promoting Burton as a great place to work, live, and raise a family. Thank you.